Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own items for the Roblox Marketplace. Let's get started. First, keep in mind that you can create different types of marketplace items on Roblox, including 3D accessories, clothing, and body parts. To do this, you'll need a verified ID, a Roblox Premium 1000 or 2200 subscription, and you must follow Roblox's community standards. It also helps to be familiar with design tools like Photoshop or GIMP, or free options like Canva and Photopea. If you want to create 3D items, you'll need 3D modeling software such as Blender, Customuse, Clothy 3D, and more. A t-shirt is a simple square image that appears on the front of your avatar. Start by opening your browser and logging into Canva. On the home page, click Create, and choose Custom Size. Set both the width and height to 512 pixels, then click Create New Design. Next, upload any character images or design elements you want to use. For example, I've added an image of a Roblox character. Follow the on-screen steps to edit your design. Once you're done, download your image as a JPG or PNG file. Now, go to the Roblox Creator website and log into your account. Click on the Creations section, then go to Avatar Items. Select Classic Type, and choose Classic T-shirt from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and click Upload Asset. Upload the image you created. Then enter a name and description for your t-shirt. Click the Upload button. There's a 10 Robux fee for uploading. Your item will appear in your Creations section. If your asset image isn't loading properly, it likely means your design is currently under review by Roblox moderation. The review process can take up to 24 hours. Once approved, your design should appear under Classic T-shirts. Please be patient while the review is completed. To publish it, click the 3 dots, More button, then go to Analytics. Under the Configuration section, set your item's price and publish it to the Roblox Marketplace. There is also a 10 Robux fee to list an item for sale. Your item should appear in the marketplace within 24 hours. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.